What's poppin', people? It's your boy Gani and welcome back to another video. Right now I'm on my way to a boot sale. It is raining a little bit, kind of annoying, but it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about that one there. So yeah, today I'm going to try to pick up some good items to resell, and hopefully we find some great items, I guess. After that, I'm going to show you all my items I picked up this week, and also all my items that I sold this week. As I did start using another platform, which I'll talk to you all about after the boot sale. But yeah, see you all after the boot sale. And I'm back. Once I got to the boot sale, it started even raining even more, and majority of items that the sellers were selling were soaking wet, as I do kind of like selling electronics like controllers, Wii bundles, or like anything electronic, you know what I'm saying, but they were all wet. So I decided, let's just forget it, and I didn't see anything else that I liked, so I left that boot sale, I came home, and now I'm recording. I'm gonna quickly run down what the items that I bought this week, and also talk to you all about my Amazon business I'm also starting. Let's get into it. So item number one from charity shop is a car seat liner. I picked up for £1 at the charity shop, and on eBay it goes for around £18. And the second pickup, I am a football fan, but I don't support this team. It's Ipswich Town Football Club. It is an authentic football kit. I saw this going on eBay for around £25 plus free shipping, and I picked this up for £2. So it's decent little profits. Not decent. What the other items? The other items are right here. All four of these items you see here, three of them are kids puzzles, and then the bottom one is a Monopoly board game. So Ravensburg kids puzzle, they're all Ravensburg. It's funny because when you buy puzzles, you usually don't know if they're complete, but usually with these kids ones you can just count quickly on the spot, you know what I'm saying. But when it's a lot more, when it's like 100 pieces, you get what I'm saying, then you're like, oh shoot, let me just take it home and count it home, and if it's complete then it's good, but if it's not complete I can just go back, and get it and just return it and just get something else. So yeah, this is Bing, Finding Dory, and Ravensburg. These two puzzles are complete, however this one isn't, so I'm going to return this one very soon, hopefully. Pick all of these up for £3 again. So yeah, this is Monopoly Electronic Edition. It is a complete set. I did play with my family actually. It's an okay game, but you can't lie. Monopoly Classic is the best one out of all of the Monopolies. There's Monopoly Cheaters Edition. There's also Monopoly Fortnite. There's many more. But yeah, nice little picked up all for £3. I listed this one for $19.99. So hopefully someone will buy it. And I also listed 2 of these puzzles in my store, so hopefully that will go out. So those are all the items that I bought from charity shops and for my eBay business. And the 2 other items I'm going to show you all. So number one is a traditional tug of war game. I think a lot of people used to play this in the playground, as my sisters were telling me. Yeah, I've never played this. I played it on like sports day or something like that, but I've never played this on a normal playground, But yeah, this item here and this item is a nostalgic island puzzle. Both these items are actually, I'm selling on my Amazon business, which is FBM, fulfilled by merchant, which basically means that I'll be fulfilling once a customer orders these to play once a customer orders any of these 2 items, I'll be shipping it directly to the customer and dealing with customer service. So yeah, so I did buy these 2 just to test it out, as a lot of people be telling me you should try retail arbitrage on Amazon, as Amazon sales has been skyrocketing even before lockdown, but during lockdown it even went higher, and apparently it's predicted to go even higher. So I was like, let me just try, let me just give it a go, you know, there's no harm, you get what I'm saying. So hopefully these 2 will sell. If they sell, that will basically kind of give me a validation that this does work, and next time I buy something I can maybe buy 3 of those items. But yeah, that's a nice little pickup. Behind me you can see these are mobile accessories. As you can see, I don't want to show you all. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. But all of these items, all of those items are for Amazon FBA, which stands for fulfilled by Amazon, which I'm gonna do hopefully this week. I'm gonna ship them all to Amazon, and once Amazon receives it, they will literally pick a packet and send it off to the customer. So literally, once you send this to Amazon, you can literally just sleep and let the money come in, as this is called passive income, which is sick. A lot of people have been doing Amazon FBA, and I've been watching a lot of videos on, and people have been killing it with Amazon FBA. So what they do is they buy items in bulk from Alibaba. It's a Chinese supplier. You can buy any item, literally you can buy anything on our website. You buy them in bulk, you ship it off to Amazon warehouse. Once Amazon warehouse receives it, the work you do is literally just shipping it to Amazon, making sure that it gets to the Amazon warehouse in one piece, and then the rest Amazon will take care. But they obviously take a higher fee amount than if you were doing fulfilled by merchant, which I'm doing with the other 2. But these 2 are testers, but those 2, I think there are 95 of those. I'm gonna ship them off, and hopefully, you know, we'll see. I'll keep you all updated about my Amazon business, and hopefully it's gonna go up from here. So yeah, those are all the items that I bought this week for my businesses. I'm gonna quickly run down all the items that I've sold this week on my item. Number 1 I sold on my store was the Xbox controller that Joe, Closet Geek, actually recommended me getting on the boot sale, as he watched the video, and literally the following week I literally went, as he did comment on my video saying, oh listen, you should pick up those controllers, and ask for a bundle. So I appreciate Joe. So yeah, I picked up these controllers. I picked up 3 Xbox 360. Three Xbox 60 controllers I picked up, and one of them actually sold for $17.99, and I picked 3 of those up for £20. So I'm happy to see one go. Second item was a Dubai souvenir keyring. When I did go to Dubai. When was it when I went? It was a couple months ago. I went to Dubai. Can't even remember. But yeah, I bought a lot of key rings, as they were very cheap there, and I literally bought like, I think probably maybe 100 key rings. I was like, let me just buy 100 key rings. I don't know, you know, give it to friends and family. And then the leftovers is what I'm selling on my eBay sale currently. So one of them actually sold for $2.99 and £1.29 shipping, and I picked up these key rings for like, I can't remember the dirhams. Dirhams, the currency they use in Dubai. But I probably picked it up for 50p. So yeah, that was a nice little one. Number 3 is a Wii balance board with a Wii Fit Plus game. Tested and it's working. I sold it for $18.99 plus $4.99 shipping. I got this balance board and the game actually with the Wii bundle. If you watched my last video, I think it was probably the one before that, I sold both my Wii bundles to the same person actually. But yeah, I picked up one of those Wii bundles for £40, and then I sold it. I took out the balancing board, and I took out Mario Kart and the 2 cartwheels. And I sold it for I think £83. Then I sold this balancing board for $18.99. and I sold the Mario car with 2 wheel accessories for like $23.99. So yeah, I made a nice little profit from that, so I'm very happy about that. Also have 3 other items that sold, but this is not reselling, this is for my eBay dropshipping business. If you all do want to see more eBay dropshipping videos and how to find very good products to sell on your eBay store, literally this product I have literally right in front of me, I can't show you all. You probably know why I can't show you, because I don't want people to take this item and listen themselves. But yeah, this item right in front of me, I'm not even selling in the UK. That's the funniest thing. I'm actually selling this item in the United States. It's literally in dollars as well. Every time a customer places an order and I receive the money on paper, I have to exchange the currency to Great Britain pounds. To Great Britain pounds. It's kind of funny, but yeah, this just shows you that you can literally make money from anywhere in the world. But yeah, I made, how much did I make? Probably had 60, yeah, around £75 worth of items that sold for my dropshipping business, so that's decent. If you want to see more dropshipping videos on how to find products, how to list products, you know what I'm saying, do let me know in the comments, and listen, I don't mind, I will make a video on it and to help you all your. Item number 4 is Monopoly Oxford Edition. I saw this one for $19.99. I picked this up for £12 with 15 other DVDs. I think I already sold like 4 or 5 DVDs. Plus this will I've already made my money back and I'm kind of into profit already, so I'm very happy about that. It looks like I'm kind of collecting my Monopoly collection here. And I got a Monopoly here, so I got 1, 2, 3 Monopolies. That's crazy. But yeah. So any other items? No, not really. So these are the items. This week's been kind of slow. I haven't been really getting any sales this week. But I'm really excited about my Amazon journey and starting my Amazon career. I'm really excited about Amazon, and I hope, you know, Amazon's business is really going to take off, as I do want to take that serious, as FBA, everyone's been saying it's the way forward, and I've been watching videos, and I actually bought a course as well, so I am also ordering another bulk of items very soon from Alibaba and shipping it to Amazon warehouse, and hopefully make some money, because at the end of the day, 9 to 5 is not an option. Yes, but yeah guys, I appreciate all of you for watching. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.